Good morning, dear student, class 10th. Today I will start the leash line connection and wireless connection of computer. Before that, we started the broadband connection in the last video. We are discussing about what is the broadband connection or high speed connection. Broadband is a very high speed and wave frequency is very high and quality is so good of the broadband. Now we will discuss about leash line connection. Whenever it is required very high speed connection or very large amount of data through the internet, it is used leash line connection. Often it is used by the large organization or a big corporation that there is need of hourly internet speed, and lease line is dedicated that connection service between geographically distant offices provided by the ISP internet service provider. Some important companies are use lease line connection as like Tata, Airtel, Reliance, Aircel are some basic provider of lease line connection nowadays. Now we will discuss about wireless connection. Wireless connection is a connection that are connect without wire. We are used to connection without wire is called a wireless connection. To provide round and clockwise for handheld device such as wireless connection are used in mostly laptop, mobile, PDA or as like this devices that are oftenly used to carry your data anywhere. Whenever we are not used to cable or wire, we are connect anywhere. Basically use wireless connection or use Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is also called a wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity is a technology that are used their hotspot and used to connect many more people at a time with help of the wireless connection. And it is very need for mobile phone. Mobile phone we are carrying with anyone. Without cable we are accessing internet through the wireless communication. Another example of wireless is WiMAX. WiMAX is a technology that is called a worldwide interoperability microwave access. Allow access to broadband wireless up to 300 miles for the fixed station to 3 to 10 miles for the mobile station. That's why we can say that its range is very high and it is very high and very fast internet connection with help of the WiMAX. There are some example about generation as like 3G network. Third generation network allow you to access internet that is basically used for connecting with your internet, accessing some website, some messages from the internet, video calling, chatting, messaging, phone calling. It is used by the 3G application. After that it is developed in 4G, fourth generation language, fourth generation network, and it is used to connect your computer with internet with the high speed data transferring rate. 4G connection allow for the fourth generation wireless telecommunication. It is evolution of 3G with usage of IP based packet switching. And after that 4.5G generation. 4.5 generation are upgraded generation of 4G generation, and it is used to more data bandwidth with the 4th generation 4.5, and after that it will be developed 5G, and it is now developing phase, and sometime it is a start whenever 5G 5th generation internet connection. It is provide very high speed of the connected to the PC. The speed of 10 GB per second of the 5G. It is expected to launch commercial by the 2020 at least. Now we will understand some terminology rate of the internet. Students, we have to decide some terminology of the internet and what is the some basic terminology of internet. In this video, we will learn about some basic terminology. World Wide Web, WWW. It is basically called a World Wide Web. World Wide Web is a web address and it is used to search your web pages, website on the internet. WWW make up the large part of internet and consist of website that have one or more web pages. However, apart from the website, the internet also consists of the following. As like forum, we are used to create forum on the internet for sharing your data and message through the World Wide Web. Database are used to store large amount of data on the internet and accessed by the many peoples through the internet. Email, chatting, instant messaging, IM and system, that is use of the World Wide Web. Now we will learn some attributes of World Wide Web. Attributes were, it is user friendly. World Wide Web is a very user friendly and it is easy to understand by anyone and work with anyone. Multimedia documents, it's also support multimedia documents such as audio files, video files, chatting and many more type of documents are used by the multimedia. Hypertext or hyperlink. Hypertext is a term of the internet that is highlighted through the link and connected to any other web page, that is called a hyperlink. Hypertext, that is marked by the hyper and it is showing a link of the other web pages. Now we will discuss about web page. What is the web page? We can say internet is a collection of वेब पेजेस. इंटरनेट पे बहुत तरह के वेब पेजेस को कलेक्ट किया गया है एंड सिंगल पेज इज ए कॉल्ड ए वेब पेज. वेब पेज इज ए एक्सेसिबल थ्रू द इंटरनेट कनेक्शन एंड कलेक्शन ऑफ वेब पेजेस आर कॉल्ड वेबसाइट. Website is a collection of web pages. There are so many messages and more messages are stored in the websites that are used by any one internet user. After that, we will discuss about some common web browser. Web browser is a software. Web browser is a software that are used to access web pages. Web browser is also called a client of your node computer and it is used to access website and web pages through the internet. Without web browser, we cannot able to access any type of web pages on the internet. And there are many type of web browser available: text-based web browser and graphical web browser that are used to access graphic, videos and multimedias. Website is a collection of web pages. Web address and URL. Web address is used to accessing web pages. URL. Uniform resource locator. It is denote actual address of any website or web page that is directly used to your internet, mobile phone or your laptop or your PC. Now we will discuss about some common services on the internet: subdomain, domain name and domain extension. As like whenever we are write any address of your web, www, starting from here, http://www.yahoo.com is the web address. This is a called web address or URL, where is HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is used to transferring your data through the internet. World Wide Web is the address. Yahoo is a corporation, and .com, that means the type of your website, that is com means commercial. It is a commercial website and it is called a domain name, subdomain, and extension name is .com. Now we will discuss about web server. Web server are used to store huge amount of data on it and serve data to many of the client at a time. Students, just we are discussing about some particular terms of the internet and using with the internet, what is the technology of internet and website, web pages. Now I will discuss more topics about in next topic. Thanks all of you.